Beautiful babes, if your skin is looking tired, dry, or a little wrinkly in this winter air, this banana mask is about to give you that soft, plump, natural Botox glow without needles and without harsh ingredients. Welcome back to Facial February Day 6 on Beauty by Sweet Angel. And today's facial is one of my favorites because it's cheap, simple, and it works, especially for mature skin and those little dryness lines that show up when the weather gets cold. Now let's get into it. What this mask does, this mask is designed to help your skin look smoother, softer, more hydrated, and naturally plump with glow. And the best part, it's gentle, no burning, no tingling, no harsh scrubbing. The ingredients, only 2. You'll need a ripe banana, about half or even a little less, and you want to mash it smooth. Just mash it up really good. And then you're going to take 1 teaspoon of raw honey. That's it. Now the benefits of each ingredient, oh my. The banana, wrinkle softener plus nourisher. That's what it is. Banana is rich, creamy, and comforting for mature skin. It helps nourish dry skin, soften the look of fine lines, improve the look of dullness, and support a smoother texture. Now the raw honey, hydration plus glow seal. Honey is a natural moisture magnet. It helps lock in hydration, smooth dryness lines, support the skin barrier, and leave the skin glowing and refreshed. Now, you saw how I briefly made this. All it is mashing up about half or less of a ripe banana until it's smooth, no big chunks. Mix in the 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Now stir it until it's creamy. If it's too thick, feel free to add a few drops of warm water to loosen it up. And then all you have to do is apply it. Start with a clean face, of course. Apply a smooth layer all over your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave on for 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Pat dry. Don't rub, pat dry. And follow with moisturizer. And just a little tip, don't stop at the face. Apply this to your neck and your chest too, because baby, we want the glow everywhere. And this is how often you can use this. This is very important. For mature skin with winter dryness, 2 to 3 times per week. For very dry skin or visible dryness lines, 3 times per week for 2 weeks. Then maintain at 2 times weekly. And for sensitive skin, start with 1 time per week and increase slowly if your skin loves it. Now, do not use daily. Your skin needs rest. Remember that. And after you rinse this off, your skin should feel soft, moisturized, and baby smooth. That's the natural Botox Glow. If you're doing Facial February with me, please comment Banana Glow. Yes. And tell me, are you dealing with dry skin, wrinkles, or dullness this winter? Thanks for hanging out with me, beautiful babes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to drop a like on it. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do that because you don't want to lose this chick. I'm telling you, you don't want to lose me. And guess what? I will see you tomorrow for day 7 of Facial February. Bye now.
But looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back round. Yeah. Ooh, girl, I'm so glad you came back around. We gon' soak, scrub, sip, lay our burdens down. 2 queens in the mirror, lifting each other high.